Spring is here, and it's the perfect time to freshen up your ride with April service specials at Conicelli Nissan Service Center. Every Wednesday in April, when you schedule a brake service, we'll donate $25 to Mission Kids to support child abuse prevention, so be sure to get your appointment set now. With seasons changing, now's the time to replace your air and cabin air filters. You'll save $10 while keeping the spring air inside your car as fresh as it feels outside. Planning a road trip? Make sure your car is ready to go with an oil change and tire rotation for just $64.95, because smooth travels start with great maintenance. And if it's time for new tires, don't wait. Buy 3 tires and get the 4th for just $1, giving your car the grip it needs for all those spring adventures. These April specials won't last long, so schedule your service today at ConicelliService.com or call 888-289-5948. Conicelli Nissan Service Center, a nice place to do business.